Hello and welcome everybody to another How to Draw video. Today, what are we going to be drawing?
A buzzy bee.
A buzzy bee, that's right. So we hope you follow along and have lots of fun. But before we get started, we need some drawing materials. What do we need?
Markers.
Markers, that's right, to do the drawing. Paper to draw on. And then finally, something to colour in. Yes. So it could be colouring pencils.
Oil pastels, markers.
Yep, that's right.
Paint.
Yep, all those sorts of things. So, are you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. All right, we've got our paper and we are going to draw a bee. Now this is going to be nice and simple because this bee shape has lots of circles. So I think we'll start off with the head first, and I'm going to draw a big circle here in the middle, a bit of an oval actually. Now this is, we will draw that. Go around here like this. There we go, good job. A nice big oval, and that is his head. Now inside that, we're going to draw some eyes as well. So we draw two big circles, one on each side. So we draw one like this. Cool, and then we'll do one on the other side. Like that. Good job. Okay, you're already putting the eyes in the middle. You're way ahead of me. Okay, so inside that we will draw another circle there. These are his pupils. There we go. And then we'll draw another little circle on that. That adds a bit of highlight in there. Okay. All right, now this bee I think is going to be a happy bee, so we're going to draw a smiley face. Now this one here, the face, when you draw it, you'll see it's going to kind of look like a stretched jelly bean. It's a little bit longer, like that. There we go. Big smiley face, and inside that we'll draw another little curve. That's his tongue in there. Cool. Now the bee, on top of his head, we're going to draw some little antennas. So we'll start off with just a little circle like this. We'll just leave a little gap in there, because then that little gap will create two lines that will join to the head like that. Good job. And then, yeah, we'll do one on the other side as well. Like that. Okay, so next thing we'll do is the body. Alright, so the body, again, it's like an oval, almost like an egg shape actually. We'll do that down, curve, and around, and up like that. Good job. And our bees are stripy, aren't they? Normally black and yellow, so we draw some stripes on his body. One stripe, and then I'll draw another stripe here, like that. Awesome. And then, again, you've already done it, we're going to draw a little stinger on there, because bees, sometimes if they get scared or so, they can sting there as well. There we go. Yes. All right, and then the last thing we need to do is draw some wings, because bees fly. So we're going to do, on each side, we're going to have like a big wing and a little wing, and they're going to be just nice oval shapes. So there's a big one there, and then just a little one underneath here, so it's a nice shape. And then we'll just do the same on the other side there as well. Yep. All right, so that's all done now, and the next step is to colour in. Yes, that's right. So we're going to fast forward this part, but we'll be back shortly, and we'll see that all coloured in. Okay, and welcome back. So we coloured them in now. You can see that I've made mine yellow bee, but it could be any colour you like. I've added some extra details as well on the wings. There's some lines in there as well. But you can do all sorts of extra things, like Natasha's drawing another butterfly there, but you can also draw flowers in there, because bees like flowers, of course, and you can make a nice garden or and there as well. So we hope you had fun, and remember that it's okay if your drawing looks a little different to ours, because you would have added your own special touches and made it unique. But the most important thing is that you had fun.
And practice.
And yes, practice every day, that's good as well. So thanks for watching, and we hope to see you again soon. Bye! Thanks again for watching our video. We hope you had lots of fun. If you'd like to see more, please like and subscribe to our channel. Also, would love to see your drawings. So if you are sharing these on social media, don't forget to tag them with Mr. Ono Studio so we can have a look at your wonderful creations. Also, if you have a great idea for a new drawing video, you can let us know. We're on Facebook and Instagram at Mr. Ono Studios, and would love to hear your suggestion.